Hey everyone, it's Donna, and I wanted to stop by for a few minutes. I was going to share a video today of me making cranberry chutney, but I've been having some problems with stomach issues for the past week, and today they got really bad. So I thought there's no way I'm going to be able to finish this video making this chutney. I could barely get through it. So I did get it done, did get through it, and as you can see, this is just a tiny bit that was left over. Now this is a cranberry apple chutney, and it's made up of two different recipes that I took parts from each one and created my own recipe so that it is corn-free for all of us. And because I'm allergic to oranges, I had to use lemons, zest, and lemon juice in the mix instead of orange juice, which I love oranges, but it's just too big of a risk. You know, it's another food allergy. So I canned it up, and as you can see, this is one of the jars. I got 4 pints, two 3/4 pints, and 3 half pints. So I got a total of 9 jars of this cranberry chutney. Now it has golden raisins as well as cranberries and apples. It has onions and garlic, plus it has the lemon zest and lemon juice. Also has grated ginger, and it has spices in it, which what I used today was ground mustard, cayenne, cinnamon, and ground cloves. Now you can use whatever you like, but all the recipes I've seen, they mainly use cayenne and cinnamon. So those were the two base spices I put in, and then I decided to use the ground mustard and the ground cloves from one of the recipes. So it didn't take very long at all, really. You cook it for 15 minutes when you first put in the cranberries so that they can pop and do their thing. And what you cook is just the apples, cranberries, onions, and garlic. Then you add your golden raisins and everything else. The pineapple, I made glacé pineapple, which came out just beautiful, and it's corn-free. Most glacé pineapples have corn syrup that they've used to make it, and I thought, no, I'm going to do my own. So I made my own, just added 2 cups of sugar to a can of pineapple tidbits, cooked it till it was at taffy stage, basically. Drained all of the juice and sugar off, and then I had my glacé pineapple, which I put into the pot with everything else. So once you get that all mixed in, after the first 15 minutes, then you cook it for 20 minutes. During that time, you can get your jars ready, your lids and seals good and hot, and your boiling water bath going. So like I said, I got a total of 9 jars, which made me happy because that's what I was hoping to get. And it just tastes delicious. It's not sweet, it's not sour, it's very tart, but it's beautiful. It's a good complement with deli meats, cheeses, with crackers, just about anything you'd want to eat it with. So I hope you guys will take a look at the recipe below and give it a try, because this is the time of year when cranberries are readily available, and I love to buy up as many as I can get and use them for different things, or bag them in a freezer bag, still in their original package. Put them in a freezer bag, seal it up, and put them in the freezer to keep them from getting freezer burn, because the bags they come in do have holes in them. So I hope to tomorrow feel better It's been a crazy, not really good day for me at all. But I want to film a video of making cranberry salsa and canning it. So hopefully that'll take off the way I want it to tomorrow, and we can get that done, and you guys will have another cool canning video to do. I saw that I had another new subscriber, and I want to welcome her to my channel. I hope that whatever you see on this channel will be of help to you if you do have issues with corn or food allergies. As I have said before, guys, all these recipes are corn free, but they're not just for people with corn allergies. They're good for anyone and your whole family. My family, I'm the only one with the corn allergy, but they eat what I eat. So, and they don't complain about it. They love it. They're getting healthy, good food without corn processing in it. So I'm going to take off for now, guys. I want to try and get my head together. This video is probably crazy just like my other ones, but today I have a real excuse of just not feeling up to par. So I hope you'll try the recipe, can it, and then let me know the results of how yours came out. And so we'll talk to you real soon.